I'm a man with many identities. Tonight I moonlight as an MC, fighting crimes around the injustice. You fake the funk, then you're busted. Lurk through the dark clubs and bashments, such a 4B bandit. Scandalous, folks to perpetrate. Make weak brews, don't move a muscle, gotta stand straight. Travel around the world on the case, different place every day. Next stop UK. Direct flight from the Bay School of Thought Summit, so I came right away. It was read to me and it was plain to see. The assignment was meant for me, so I accepted. Told them what I needed, go the right thing and beat that bump like.
Tohle vinkou nebo ne? Jsem právě do toho chtěl schválně volat, mi to urve.
Co? Jo.
Save the day, underground, undercover, we free the slaves. Unchain the brains that are free, a job well done with the greatest of ease. Unchain the brains that are free, a job well done with the greatest of ease. School of thoughts, fresh, got it like that. Ooh, cool ones, fresh, got it like that. Black flesh, yeah, got it like that. School of thoughts, fresh, got it like that.
Co? Na co? Co děláš za pičoviny? Bude to moc dobrý. Ty mě chceš nasrat. Místo toho, abys tady vole popíjal. Tady vole, vychlatat tady tohle vole výtrochu a... A co?
To jsem nevešel.